Welcome again to Green Light Coding, guys. So unlike the previous video in which we had learned about creating graphics using the steady font colors of Batch script, the current video will show the way to code for representing graphics but will result somewhat different. As this time we can choose specific colors for specific strings and also can make various objects like house, temple and solids very easily by adjusting with the background colors of the Batch script. So here's the code which helped to make a solid box of color after a representing green colored font with a green background. At first we have to create an impressive background and the colors must be like F7, D5, 39, 6E or C4. Here we need only two functions fx and fx2, and calling the function fx we can make our graphics. The last set of tokens here is representing the findStr utility where one can find string after creating files having the same name as the string are given in the script. And do not give asterisk or star and dot or comma like expression, this will make the output complicated and also may affect the system.